then because we don't have any TVs, we don't have any tea coffee mixing facilities. So what we do is almost every night, about 9-ish, we'll ask the guests if they would like to have tea. So we send good night tea.
How lovely.
Wow.
Yeah. Yorkshire,
How nice.
Tetley's or local brew.
Very nice.
That's cool. Very unique, eh?
This is a standard suite.
Standard suite. 4 to 5 before tax and before discount.
Oh, this is beautiful.
This is the standard qualities. I never show you the executive suite.
This is already huge already.
Okay, can you close the
Yeah, okay.
Okay, this is also the standard suite.
Standard suite.
Alright, so this is without the carpet, it's with the wooden flooring.
Yes, correct.
So can we request the wooden flooring?
Okay, this one. A new haven you can take.
How much per night?
It's 4 to 5 before tax and before discount.
4 to 5,000. 500. Look at the bed. See the bed.
Yeah, this three is Kairesh. This one and this one will be executive suite. That one is library.
Library. Oh, got place to walk there.
Okay.
Oh, this is the one you're talking about. Wow. Phew. Phew. Wow. This is so nice. Ha. Ha. Look at the mountains. Whoa. This is beautiful. Oh. So beautiful, huh?
Let me see the panel suite as well.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Sorry for the trouble.
No problem.
Charles suit. Sweet. Oh. Huge room. Oh, no. Oh, this one, no.
3%.
2+1.
Yeah, 2+1.
No, bathtub for one only. What is the standard rooms?
Standard rooms.
Just show me one enough already.
Yeah, just so you know.
This is a standard room.
Standard room.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
It doesn't look like a standard room.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Standard room.
I think it's high standard.
Standard room.
So beautiful.
This is their standard room. Oh my god. It doesn't look like a standard room. For me, this is like a VIP suite. No, I want mountain view.
From here, cannot.
Oh, so beautiful. Alright, so I've done my Frasers Hill trip. Now it's around 6. It's so nice of them for these people in Smokehouse to take me for a tour of their rooms. I saw all their rooms, okay? In fact, you guys have seen all the rooms. You guys are very lucky that you don't have to come here to see the rooms. You come through me to see the rooms. Oh, okay. So anyway, I'm on my way back to... apparently there are two ways. I came from Raup to... You see, there are a few ways. One is from Bentong, and then there's another one from Raup. So Raup and Bentong cuts through the same road to come to Frasers. Apparently it's a far journey. and you know the road back to Bentong to the Kara highway could be jammed. There is another road through where it suggests that I can go through Kuala Kubu Baru, so I want to try that road. Alright, so this will be my vlog for today, going to Smokehouse in Frasers Hill. Oh, I just love this place so much. You see this video, you need to come for this place. 谢谢。